Find the derivative of y equals 1 over x using the definition of the derivative. Let's get started. Let me pick a different color because I've been using orange all along here. So we have the limit as h approaches 0 for f of x plus h. And since y over x is f of x in this case, f of x plus h is just going to be 1 over x plus h minus f of x, which is just 1 over x, all over h. So we have the limit as h approaches 0. Now, in order to combine these fractions, I'm going to have to find a common denominator. And that, of course, will be just x times x plus h. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction here by x over x. So I'm going to get x over x times x plus h. And the second fraction here, I'm just going to multiply by x plus h over x plus h. So I'm going to get x plus h all over x times x plus h. And of course there's a 1 here, but I don't need to show it. All over h. So lim as h approaches 0. Now I can combine the fractions, and we're going to get x minus x plus h all over x times x plus h. And we're dividing everything by h, right? Which is h over 1. And whenever we have something over a fraction, we could actually just multiply the top by the reciprocal of the bottom. So we multiply this by 1 over h. And this is not an x. This is just a multiplication signal. MS, multiplication signal. And right here, x minus x is 0. And we have a minus h there, basically. Negative h multiplied by 1 is just negative h. Then everything all over x times h, because of this h here, x times h times x plus h. At this point, I can actually cancel these guys out. A 1 remains on the top, of course, or rather a negative 1. And since I got rid of this guy, I can actually plug in 0 for h, because that won't make the denominator equal to 0. And we get rid of the limit. So that's going to be equal to negative 1 over x times x plus 0. So this will be equivalent to negative 1 over x times x, x squared. And this is the derivative of 1 over x. Of course, we could rewrite it as negative x of negative 2. But again, it's your guys' choice. That's it.